Find or read reviews that people are talking about AUTOBABA backup camera, safety rear view, park assist backup camera, compatible with Ford Edge 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose AUTOBABA backup camera, safety rear view, park assist backup camera. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Model fitment, compatible with 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015 Ford Edge. High quality. The rear view backup camera is made with high quality ABS housing and upgraded camera lens. The high quality components enhances waterproof and dust-proof performance and makes the camera more solid and sturdy. Easy installation. Our rear view backup camera is made of OEM design style that contributes to the complete replacement of the original one. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.